Yeah.
Into some spot and then.
Focus over the right one. Yeah. Okay. Oh. Okay. Three more. Okay, good. Yeah. Okay, close. Okay. Don't wait. Don't do anything. Go. Don't do anything. Wait. No. Guys. Down. Go. Stay in front. Come, move back. Don't move. Don't put it right down. Move back. Okay, close. Oh. Come, don't move. Crank back. Okay, look. In the center. Go. Move back. No, let it go down first. Okay. Okay, you go over there. Go, bring up the rock. Come on, go over. Come, go. You go to the right, go near to him. Drop again. Sorry. Bring back. Bring back. Come on, you're crossing the line. Okay, come to the left. So. Okay, triple. Look. You are basically pulling out yourself, you know? Yeah. Wait. Look. Slowly let it run and pull, you know? Look at him. Look at Uncle, you see? Go. Oh, you get on the belly, that's why it's so heavy. Oh, this is a big one.
Wow.
Hold on. Okay, go forward. Wait. Stop. Move backward. Yes. Okay. Don't. Let's move backward. Yeah. Stop. Yes, got that. Go. Stop. Stop. Put the rod down.
Oh.
Yeah. Stop.
Into some spot and then.
Yeah.
A few moments later.
Okay. นี่แหละ Chaophraya. Okay, go forward. Stop. Use the water buoyancy. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. 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 Come this side. Come to the right. Easier for me. Yeah, here. Okay, come to open here. Look. Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Go forward. Right. Yeah. Go forward. Move on, really. Sorry. Come on, go forward. Never mind. Oh, okay. Okay, a bit more. Okay. Okay. A bit more. push. Hold it first, hold it first. Okay, Okay. Crank. Slowly. Go. Come on, crank, little bit. Good. Wait. Okay. Okay, come. Oh, good. Yes, good. Okay. Wait. Bring up. Hey. Yes. I finally got it. Okay. Stay. No. Come to the left.